Earthy Companions, we enable waste to food circular economy. Kitchen waste management is a fairly new responsibility for housing society members. As per the new municipal guidelines, the housing societies are expected to manage their kitchen waste. This waste is a liability in the urban spaces, but a resource for the farm soil. Earthy Companions integrates your kitchen waste to feed the farm soil and make farms productive. Farmers provide a piece of land. On this land, we build Earthy Companions designed farm integrated waste management facility. Compost produced at the FIWM facility is made available to the farm in exchange of land. Housing societies just outsource the kitchen waste management to Earthy Companions and enjoy the joyride of waste to food circular economy. This is how it works. Our logistics team collects kitchen waste from the society gate daily. The team does bin-to-bin transfer and checks for plastics during the process. The collected kitchen waste is brought to the Earthy Companions Farm Integrated Waste Management Facility. The bins are unloaded at the plant. The vehicles are installed with GPS to ensure productivity. The processing of kitchen waste is managed by a skilled and trained team using a scientifically established composting process. The facility is under CCTV surveillance. This is how we process kitchen waste. The processing team empties the bin on the sorting table, removes visible non-degradable material like plastics, etc., and pushes the wet waste into the shredder. The shredder output is mixed with fine sawdust. Composting culture is added. Now the mixture is loaded into the Earthy Companions revolving pit. The mixture stays in the pit for about 8 to 9 days. During this time, the Earthy Companions revolving pit protects the mixture from scavengers or going putrid. The mixture starts to break down and release leachate. Remember, your kitchen waste is 70% water. This leachate is collected in an underground tank and used for garden waste composting process. After 8 days, the revolving pit is downloaded. The output we get is pre-compost that is now ready to be cured. This pre-compost is transferred to the curing space and a pile of pre-compost is created. Further, tender coconut shreds, coffee powder, biofertilizers, and rock phosphate are added to the pile. The pile is toppled with the help of JCB to maintain air and moisture. As the pile cooks, the temperature goes as high as 65 degrees Celsius. The process is repeated till the pile is completely cooked into high-quality compost in 80 to 90 days. The compost is now available for the farmers to use. As a part of our service, we collect brown leaves and garden cuttings. All the collected brown leaves are composted using a cold composting method. To enhance the process, we spray leachate on the heaps periodically. The end product is leaf mold. Remember, we got this land from the farmer. All the compost and leaf mold produced at the Earthy Companions Farm Integrated Waste Management Facility is made available to the farm soil in exchange for the land sharing. The soil health has a direct impact on plant health and its produce quality. Soil health depends on microbial activity. For microbial activity to thrive, soil needs to have continuous supply of high-quality organic matter, that is compost. Adequate organic matter in soil improves soil texture and water holding capacity, and which in turn increases microbial activity in the soil. This food that has been grown through participation of farmers and the community is brought back to the urban community for sale. The community visits the farmer to experience waste to food circular economy in action. Some part of the compost is provided back to the society for use at their campus. Isn't it a beautiful exchange where the kitchen waste, a liability otherwise, becomes a resource to build soil health? A national capital for us and the generations to come. At Earthy Companions, we enable waste to food circular economy. but a responsible and professional solution for the smart citizens. A solution that makes cities sustainable and livable. You just outsource the kitchen waste management to Earthy companions and enjoy the joy ride of waste to food circular economy.